Hey there, welcome to Tech Pulse. Today, we're going to simplify one of the most confusing tech topics out there, the difference between artificial intelligence, or AI, machine learning, or ML, and deep learning, or DL. By the end of this video, you'll finally know what these terms really mean. First, let's start with artificial intelligence, or AI for short. AI is a broad field of computer science that aims to make machines smart, like humans. In simple terms, AI is the ability of a machine to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. For example, when your phone suggests the next word as you type, or when a robot vacuum cleans your house by itself, that's AI in action. Now, machine learning, or ML, is a subset of AI. Think of it as teaching machines to learn from data rather than programming them with exact rules. Instead of telling the computer exactly what to do, you give it lots of examples, and it figures out patterns on its own. For instance, if you show a computer thousands of pictures of cats and dogs, ML algorithms can learn to tell the difference between them without someone explicitly programming the rules. Finally, deep learning, or DL, is a subset of machine learning. It uses something called neural networks, inspired by how our human brain works. Deep learning is what powers advanced AI applications like voice assistants, self-driving cars, and even facial recognition. Think of it this way. ML might need some guidance to classify pictures, but deep learning can automatically detect features like edges, shapes, and textures to recognize objects even better. Let's summarize. AI is the big idea, smart machines that can perform tasks. ML is AI that learns from data. DL is ML on steroids, using neural networks to handle complex problems automatically. Here's how you see them every day. AI, Google Maps predicting traffic. ML, Netflix recommending movies. DL, self-driving cars recognizing pedestrians. So, next time you hear AI, ML, or DL, you'll know exactly what they mean. Thanks for watching Tech Pulse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech simplified.